Magandang hapon po ng Monday, July 20, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, July 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 20, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, July 20, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for July 20, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, July 20, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.